Ipsy, mother versus daughter.
Glam
Ipsy
Bag Plus Edition. I don't know what a flag is.
Hotmess Express, where we never have our stuff together.
Correct.
Anyways, guys, if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as HOTMESSMOMMAMD, makeup diva, not medical doctor. And over here is my gorgeous daughter, Hailey, who also has her own YouTube channel. And here we just embrace the hot mess.
Did you drop your camera screen?
I did not, Hailey.
Did you put a grid on it?
Here we just are never focused.
You did put a grid up.
I don't know how it happened. Somehow I hit something on the thing and then that popped up and I don't know how to get rid of it. So, anywho, the house is full of a bunch of children, so it's gonna be nice and chaotic. So
bear with us.
I feel your pain, is what I was gonna say. Because editing Rhonda, I can already tell is gonna be already
And
annoying.
girth.
The husband's here too. Oh, okay, guys.
Gotcha.
So if you're new to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, this is a monthly makeup subscription. It is $25 plus tax every single month. This is actually, I purchased mine through our Patreon donation. So my Patreons have already seen this unboxing. They get first dibs on all of the unboxings. Now, with the Ipsy, you always fill out a profile. They go off your profile. I lie on my profile. I say that I'm like in my 20s, but then everything else is real. Would you like to add anything?
Nope. I'm just making sure my lipstick wasn't mixed up from eating dinner.
Okay, let's get into this. 2.5 minutes in. Hailey had a ton of add-ons. Would you like to go ahead and show us your add-ons?
Yes. So
I have 0 add-ons.
the first thing I got was a $3 item. It's the Hey Honey Trick and Treat CC2 Active Moisturizer Cream with honey and something else. Color correcting formula, blah blah blah. And this is in a shade that's light to medium, and I really like their concealer, so I thought I would try that. Then I got this, which I think was $3 too. It's the super. Then I got this lipstick that I think was $3 as well. It's the Super Glaze Lip Cream by the brand Half Caked. It's in the shade Slight Work, and it's really, ooh, there's some shimmer.
Yeah, it's really pretty. I don't even know why. Okay, can you guys see that? Can I open it and smell it?
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna smell nice.
Like cake.
It does not. I mean,
Oh,
it
it
smells.
smells like cherry.
Yeah. Oops. What is that?
Like a cherry medicine. It smells like a rollerball little lip balm I used to have when I was little. It's just a lip gloss. It looks like that.
With a mix of something thick. Is that Play-Doh?
cotton candy?
No, it's not airy.
What's it
It's
smell
like a cherry Play-Doh.
I don't smell Play-Doh.
Let me see it.
Yeah, right?
I don't know, maybe like a lavender.
I don't smell lavender.
I don't
at
smell
all,
lavender,
but
That's my
where do I
oldest
use
son
that
sitting
towel?
behind
Oh, I need
here.
that towel to wipe my hand.
You need a tissue for that. That's like some sticky gloss.
Oh, white.
Then I got.
It's right there.
I'll do it. Then I got the Violet Voss Berry Burst little palette. I'm not gonna open it. These are the colors. Actually, should I see if it's broken?
Probably. I actually really
have
like.
the worst luck with.
I like
my palettes
Violet
breaking.
Voss.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh! It reminds me of ABH's Modern Renaissance. Like a mini version of the Modern Renaissance palette.
Then
That's
I got 2 of these Oprah Madison Miller blushes because I love blush.
They're full size too.
And
guys.
these were $3, I'm pretty sure.
I honestly thought they were gonna be like the little mini.
Yeah, so I was just risking it because I like blush.
That's pretty
so
though.
we have this one in Sweet Stuff. Ooh, that's so powdery. I swatched so much of that. Oh yes, that's gonna be so good on my nose. And then,
On her nose.
yes, that's where all the TikTokers put the blush. I just want to fit in with the trends.
Oh, is it broke?
No.
Oh no!
This
Wow,
one is
that's
all
really.
we need is love.
It's
Like,
pretty.
all
It's very apricot.
Yeah. This is also going to be very great. So excited about those.
Is that any more add-ons?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. So as far as the bag, we always get a bag. I'm curious to see the size of yours. It's the same. Doesn't this look like the same as what we normally get in Ipsy?
Yeah. Yes.
So normally we get larger bags when it comes to the plus unbagging, what have you. And I've told you guys this before. I mean, it's a pretty bag. It's a cute bag. It's a good little travel pencil bag, what have you. But I would almost rather not get the bag, even though it's Ipsy Glam bag. Which is, I don't know. Like, give me something different in my whatever. Okay. So I told my Patreons this. We all got a card, which we typically do. And typically it tells us each item that is going to, like, in our box and how much it retail values for. We didn't get that this month.
It just is a card.
Which I thought was odd. So you want to start with your first thing?
You can just go first.
Okay, so my first thing, and I meant to look this up to see if this was full size. But this was the Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask by Dr. Botanicals. It is 1 fluid ounce. But to me, this reminded me of like a deluxe size sample that we would get in our Ipsy Glam bag. So, I don't know. And it's kind of not all the way full. I just noticed that.
Did you choose an item this month?
I did.
Okay, what did you choose?
You want me to show?
Well, I'll show what I chose.
Okay,
first.
you do yours.
So what I chose is the Serum Soin Hydrant Moisturizing and BioRace LEAU Serum Soin Hydrant Moisturizing Enhancing Stuff Serum.
Yeah, it's not going to show up. There you go. Okay, so the item that I chose was the Daughter Cosmetics little eyeshadow palette, because you guys know I can't get enough eyeshadow palettes in my life. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty palette. I haven't used it yet. I mean, I like Daughter Cosmetics formula. Ooh, that one feels really dry. Let's see. I mean, there's a couple swatches. I mean, I don't know. I'll have to like put a look together or something. But I really wanted this palette. I remember when it launched, but obviously I didn't pick it up. So I'm happy to see her stuff in our boxes. I've seen it in the Boxycharm. Now it's over on Ipsy. So was happy about that.
My next item is the Touch of Soul Soul Velvet Lipstick. Ooh, the packaging is nice. Soul Rose.
Oh, that's a U color.
That is like, look how matte that looks. Focus. Wow. Beautiful.
That is such a U color.
I'm like scared to ruin it.
Ooh. It's pretty. And we can't tell you guys the prices because we have no idea.
Yeah.
So the next item I got is by LaRousse, I think. It came in like this envelope, and it is a set of brushes, which I kind of told my Patreons, they feel okay. I don't know. I think that like the eye brushes, there's like 2 little eye brushes in here. So these may end up in a giveaway or something. I don't know. They feel like Barbie doll hair or something. I don't know. And the thing is I got the Alamar brushes and I love those. So I'm kind of like, I don't know. It's
meh.
Yeah.
My next item is the IL Mackage. I cannot pronounce anything. Ink liner.
It's Hailey. It's
IL Mackage.
no Il Maquillage.
Oh.
Or wait,
Looks
yeah.
like 2 different words.
Il Maquillage.
Oh, Momo has the same thing. It's a black eyeliner. I'm not going to open it because I just opened one. And it's a little felt tip eyeliner. So that's awesome because I can always go for a good felt tip. So hopefully it's good.
Yeah. I got the same thing. I wasn't excited about it. I was telling my patrons I do that whole review thing of the items that you get. And I put in there that I don't want these. And I keep getting them. And I'm like, can you stop, please? So the next item I got is by Belle in Argent or something.
Oh, I like their lipsticks. I have one.
I thought so. This is the shade 3 Plays.
Ooh.
And it's a nice like nude shade. So I was pretty pleased with that. I feel like it's not like an insanely like, it'll build up nicely. So it's definitely a me color. So anyways, that was all of my stuff. What's yours?
I have 2 more.
Oh.
So I have the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in light. This is cool. I don't really wear foundation, but recently I've been using foundation like around my eyebrows because I don't want to keep wasting my concealer. So I'll test it out and see how I feel about it, but my face just gets dry and cakey very easily, so it's like I just can't get foundation to work for me. And then my last item is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30, and it brightens and helps skin shield from environmental aggressors. A sunscreen for my face.
So what was your overall thoughts?
I like my bag. I like the item that I picked, obviously, because hydration, foundation, okay. This, good for summer, but it's not summer yet. I'm excited about the eyeliner, and I love the lipstick.
I would say it fits you pretty well. I like I told my patrons, I liked it because of the eyeshadow palette. The lipstick's fine, but it's not been wooing me. And I know some people are like, then why the heck do you keep getting it? Okay, well, I was talking to one of my YouTube friends here over on Twitter, and she said the same thing. She was like, I just keep giving Ipsy a chance over and over again. And it's like, yeah, I know, right? Me too. Because honestly, guys, this time last year, Ipsy was killing it. Absolutely killing it. Like, insane. Like, I even said Ipsy's giving Boxy a run for its money. I don't know what has happened. So I do really like this palette. The lipstick is nice, but really that's about it. I mean, this, you guys know I love getting skincare, but I just feel like this is the size of something that we get typically in our regular little Ipsy bag. So that has me a little thrown off. I need to probably look into it more and see if this is the full size. But anywho, that's my thoughts on this. I definitely am giving it to you this month. I think yours was definitely curated for you.
Mm-hmm.
Mine was like a, here you go, sis. But at least you got that. Okay, guys, we're gonna hop off because we have to film our Ipsy Glam bag. So definitely make sure to subscribe because I will be coming back and putting the Ipsy Glam bag plus up against my Boxycharm. I actually uploaded today a video, Boxycharm versus Boxycharm, where I chose between two different variations. I chose my favorite, and it will be coming to you very soon up against the Ipsy Glam bag plus. Don't forget to check my description box down below for Haileys channel, as well as there is a giveaway going on, so I'll leave the link to that video. It's only for subscribers, so if you are not subscribed, then don't check the description box. And don't forget to check me out on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time, friends, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!